How to fix PS4 Error NP-39225-1. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS4 Error NP-39225-1. 1. Check the PSN status at PlayStation.com and the game's official server status. 2. If the server is active, and still getting this error, go to Settings, Network, launch the Test Internet Connection option and then check your internet connection status. 3. Adjust your network settings, back up existing router configurations. Then update the router to the latest firmware. Google how to do this. Try after a while as your local network may be temporarily busy.